Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day inspired tutorial. This is just a quick get ready with me Valentine's Day look. So as you can see, I am taking my Royal Affair palette and I'm using the color Regal. It's a nice sultry burgundy eyeshadow. I'm just applying it on my eyes, and I'm using my foundation brush to apply this because I want a straight precision across my lid, so that way it's easier for me to blend it out once I pack it on. So right now I'm just packing this color all the way on, and that's it. Just continue to just pack it on, and pack it on, because I want my smoky eye to be extremely pretty. So right now I'm using my e.l.f. brush, which is the eyeshadow brush, and I'm just using it to blend out all the harsh lines of that Regal burgundy color, so that way it can make my smoky eye look a lot more better, if that makes sense. So right now I'm just packing that color on continually, just making it darker because I want it to be a nice burgundy smoky eye look with a popping eyeshadow. And I'm using it's my Ray Ray blending brush just to blend it out. Yep, just blend and blend, because I really want this eyeshadow to pop. Next, I am using the Royal Affair palette again. This time I'm going to be spraying my eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be packing on the color Crown. That's what this eyeshadow is. The name of it is Crown. And I like this eyeshadow because it literally, I can wear this eyeshadow alone by itself and literally my eyes will pop. So I was just spraying it on my concealer brush. My eyeshadow brush, just to get it to pop, and I sprayed it with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Makeup Setting Spray. So I'm just packing this color on, and that's all I'm doing, pretty much just packing this color on. Next, I'm going to go into my Morphe palette, which is the Copper Spice 25A palette. And I paid about $19 for this palette in my local Ulta. So I'm going to be using the color Sunbeam to apply that in my inner eye, just to make my eyes pop even more. I'm going to go back into that Royal Affair palette and pack on that Regal eyeshadow again. The name of it is Regal because I really like this eyeshadow color, and I want it to be as dark and burgundy as possible. And then afterwards I'm gonna blend it out. So right now I'm just going ahead and packing it on, and I'm using my smudge proof brush from e.l.f. from Wet n Wild. So right now I'm going to be applying my Smashbox 15-hour hydrating foundation. I'm sorry, my foundation. This is my favorite foundation, and I am in the color 3.05. I got it from Sephora. It's actually pretty affordable. It's about $36 with taxes, about $38. So I'm just basically applying it all over my face. Hope you guys like my new haircut. I'm going to keep my hair cut. But yeah, I'm just going to apply this foundation. The reason why I love this foundation is because, like I said before, it is heat resistant, it's sweat proof, and I love it. And right now I'm applying my Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. I don't know why I keep saying foundation. This concealer is like too light for me, and that's why I had to kind of edit my photos a little bit more brighter, just so you won't notice. And then I put my LA color on top, my LA Girl concealer on top. And as you can see right now, I'm trying to figure out how the heck I'm going to get all of this concealer out to do this cream contour. And that, my dear, is my LA Girl concealer in the color Toast. And I always use that to cream contour because I love to cream contour. Yep, and I'm going to be using my sponge, spraying my sponge. So now after that's all blended out, I'm going to be using my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Going to be using that to set my contour. And a little goes a long way with this product, guys, because the more you apply to your face, the more it's going to look muddy. So less is more, just a little as possible. And so that's exactly what I'm doing right here, just applying a little as possible so I can go ahead and, you know, contour and all the other good stuff. Just contour my jawline. Yes, ma'am. Forehead. Just basically giving my face that warmth that it needs. Now I'm going to go into my It's My Ray Ray palette. As you guys can see, if you drop this palette, you see what happens. So I'm going to go in with the Radiant highlighter. As soon as I find my highlighter brush. There we go. Spraying it and I'm applying it. Look at that. That is beautiful. I should have put more highlighter on though. Yep. Applying it to my cheekbones, and I'm going to be applying it to my brow bone. Let's highlight my brow bone, nose, and bottom lip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you guys have a nice, wonderful Valentine's Day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.